Hello, and welcome to another survey question. My name is Darshan Kulkarni, and I'm the principal attorney at the Kulkarni law firm. The firm focuses on helping life sciences companies and their service providers comply with the myriad of state, local, and federal laws, associated regulations, and guidances that apply to their businesses. It's important to recognize that these discussions are not implied or meant to be understood as legal advice and should not be taken as such. Your situation may be different. However, if you believe that you would like specific advice, please feel free to reach out to me via email at darshan@conformlaw.com or by phone at 215-703-7842. Please do not provide any confidential communications since we have not established an attorney-client relationship, and such a relationship will not be established until we have a written agreement to that effect signed by both of us. So the question today is you've introduced a drug and you want to pay some people to conduct a clinical trial on that study. And then which is it appropriate for the agreement that you want signed? As usual, we'll go over the wrong answers and then come back to the right one. The first, is such an agreement permissible? No, because the payments are unusually high. Just because the payments are unusually high, that may be a valid answer, but is that the reason why this agreement is impermissible? It's a portion of the reason, but it's not the full reason. No, because all adverse events must be reported. Is that the correct reason? Is it a reason? For sure. Is it the correct reason? No. As long as the IRB approves it, is that a method of measuring if your study was appropriate? Yes, but if you look at the study design, it's pretty obvious the study itself isn't appropriate. And then we'll come back to option 3. No, because there's no clinical reason to do this study. The reason this one is the right answer is because it's a threshold question or threshold answer. That if there's no reason to do the study, whether the payments are unusually high, whether adverse events must be reported, is meaningless. The only correct option is really option number 8, because there's no clinical reason to do this study. The fact that the payments are unusually high, the fact that all adverse events must be reported are also problems, but they aren't. You don't get to those problems until you've actually recognized that you can't do the study in the first place. So since B and C are not the best answers, E is therefore the wrong answer. If anyone has any questions, and I expect people will, feel free to call me or email me, and I'd be happy to discuss it with you. It's a pleasure talking to you. I hope we get a chance to talk again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.